We have a really fun experiment for you today where we're going to see how fire uses oxygen to stay alive. And so, check this out. We have mixed one here with vinegar and baking soda. This will release carbon dioxide. Our second mix over here is hydrogen peroxide and potassium permanganate. This will release oxygen. So let's see how it interacts with fire. First, let's make our mixes. Let's take some vinegar. Let's create our first mix. Let's put some baking soda into our vial here. Maybe just some more. And now let's add some vinegar. You can see lots of gas forming. Let's do the same over here. First, we will add potassium permanganate. And then we'll add this slowly. You can see a lot of gas is forming. Now let's see how it interacts with fire. First, we will light this. Easy. Let's see what happens when we put the flame in CO2. It's out. But what if we put it in oxygen? The flame is back. That's because it uses oxygen to stay alive. Now let's put it out again. Isn't science amazing? One more time, let's see if it catches back. Oh, amazing. Science is so cool. Good job today, and see you next time. Goodbye.